Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and today somebody emailed me yesterday about engraving this on a leather coaster, and just for his information I made it a little bit smaller. I made it 2 inches instead of yours so it wouldn't take so long to run and waste wood. But he drew a hairline around his coaster, I guess, with center, and then he engraved the cat, and it didn't come out in the center, and he was questioning why. Well, here's two examples. This one I did grouped together after I didn't have to run my circle, but it engraved in the center. This one, I engraved it, and then I cut the circle out. And you can see the cat is more to the left and up toward the top. So my suggestion is either group it together, and I've made a video about that in CorelDRAW, or if I was going to do a coaster, just one coaster, I would take a blank piece of plywood or MDF, and I would lightly trace a red line around it and not use center. Just place it in your laser bed where you want it, run a hairline, and maybe even contour a little bit to the outside so you could set your coaster inside evenly, and then run your job, and the kitty or the cat's face will be right where it is because you're not using center. You know, people don't know what center is, and this is an epilogue driver, so you go to preferences and hit center, and then do a combination job, and it's going to trace that hairline and then engrave the cat in the center. But it's the cat is not an exact object, so it will not be in the center. Let's just do this. Let's hit P on the keyboard and then get the cat and put P on the keyboard. And as you can see, the cat is not in the center, he's up top, because it's not a, I don't know what you can call it, a weighted item. It's not equal. Let's run some hairlines. Let's kind of zoom in here so hopefully we can see it. Click on the cat, and we must have, and see, it's thinking the cat is in the center right now because the X is in the center of my two lines, but the cat is not in the center. It's like a star. There's more, these whiskers are interfering with the whole object. Equally, they're the same distance probably from the circle, but that's not what you're wanting. You're wanting it down a little bit to look at more like it's in the center. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.